Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. Let's make popcorn. This popcorn came out very delicious and it's very simple to make, and you can even use this as a small business. So let me share you how I did this, or how to make popcorn at home with your stove. Into my dry frying pan, I'll add about 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using coconut oil here. You can use any oil of your choice. And also about a tablespoon of butter and 1 teaspoon of salt. After mixing that, I'll go in with a half cup of popcorn kernel. Next, I'll go in with 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can add less or more of that. You can also skip that if you don't want to add sugar at this time, but try this, you will love it. Try this method of adding sugar along with the corn, you will love it. And then I'll go in with a tablespoon of water. This water will make the or help the sugar not to caramelize so much. It will help it not to burn. Yes. Then I'll mix this together. Allow the corn to start popping. Once it starts popping, then we cover the pot. You can see that it's popping already. I'll stir it one more time and then cover the pot. After about a minute or two, I'll shake it around. I'll shake the pot so that every of the popcorn kernel can pop. And within 5 minutes, the whole kernel can pop. And here we have it. We have our popcorn. You can see with the chocolate color. That's because of the sugar I added. And I love the color. And the taste also amazing. The salt and the sugar gave it a very nice taste. So we take it out from the stove or gas, and when it cools down, we'll now pack it or put it in your airtight container or in a nylon, or if you want to sell it, you can also package it like this, and they use it as a snack for your kids. They will love it. I hope with this you can now make your own popcorn at home. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.